Good morning to all of you, my lovely dear friends. This is Kumar Nandji, PGD Physical Education Ampere and DYTT 1 year diploma in Physical Education Yoga and Physical Fitness Diploma from Sports Authority India Kolkata. So today I will teach you physical education. Subject is physical education and lesson first. And the name of the lesson is physical education and changing its trends career option. Yes, the subject and the lesson both are related. So the first question is this: what is physical education? When you open the book, in the first para, it has been written that if you want to understand the meaning of physical education, we must understand the meaning of education. Yes, because in physical education, there are two words. The first is physical and the second is education. So we must define one by one, that would be easy for us. The first, education. What is education? Because after the taking birth, we start learning, we start having knowledge. It means we are ready to learn something. So what is education? According to book, it is a process of learning which modify our behavior to get success. Yes, it is a process of learning. Just as I am in the class, there are a lot of students are sitting, and I am speaking something. Means I am speaking, and all the students are listening to me. So that time here a processing is going on between me and you, means all the students. Here processing is going on, and with this process, what's going on? You are learning. How are you learning? To modify our behavior. It means I am speaking and you are not listening anything. So you can't learn anything. So when you will learn, it means we can say when you are ready to modify your behavior. Modify means just as there is a bottle and there is a water, but there is no water, that would be empty. But when it is fulfilled with the water or anything, that would be changed. Means we will not say it's empty bottle, we will say it is full of water. In the same way, if we learn something, we have to store the knowledge in our mind. Means it is a process of learning which modify our behavior. When we learn something, when we put anything in this bottle, that is modified. Just like a bike comes, a company Hero Honda comes in the market. That time what happened? After some times, marketing is slow, then after that there is modified, means to include something extra. After that it is success in the market. In the same way, if we learn something to modify our behavior, definitely we will get knowledge and we will be success. Just as we have to go to junction station, I have no knowledge, then I will ask by the passerby, hello sir, which way leads to the station? So that time that passerby will tell you go 100 meter forward, then turn left side, etc. etc. It means that time there is process between passerby and me, and after that we learn means we store the talking what is told by that passerby, and we means that is the modify. Means we modify, we accept his talking, and then we are success to reach the station. So that is education. The same thing, it is written in the book. It is the process of learning which modify our behavior to get success. That is education. Second example, I wanna tell you. Just as there is an author, Jalis Belly, it has been written in his book to give the knowledge, to spread the knowledge. Means the main aim of education is to spread the knowledge. Yes, it is right. Just as here, I am saying, yeah, I am educated person. I am educated person. I have knowledge. But here we are unable to explain anything. Then how can we deserve to say, I am educated person? If I have knowledge, then we must be able to explain anything, to make other understand. Now come to the point, physical education. It means same definition. Physical education is also a process of learning according to book to modify our behavior. But how? How to eat? No. It is a matter of how to eat. Just as a boy who belongs to village comes and starts sitting like this, and like start after eating, and then it is not a manner. We will say he is gawar, he has no idea. Means we can't eat like this. We can't wash our hands like this. That is why he is doing like this action, because he has no knowledge. Now come to the point, physical education. It is also a process of learning, but related to physic action. It means suppose we have to just I am a player of cricket, and after that we are doing bat, and bowlers start means ready to bowl, and ball comes and we are ready to hit the ball, but ball is near our chest. So here what will we do? We have to play pull shot. Means here we have much knowledge about the action, bodily movement. If we have no knowledge about proper movement of body, then we will be unable to play our task. That is the definition of physical education. It means it is the also process of learning which modify our behavior. It means we are learned by our coach how to make our strong, how to down our shoulder, how means our eye contact. That is taught by the coach. So it is a process of learning, same definition. But at last only two words will be included with bodily movement. Yes, that is the complete definition of physical education. So first question, what is education? Clear. Define physical education is clear. And the third question will be raised, what is the aim of physical education? Because everything must have aim. If we are studying, why we are studying? There is aim. You have to be a successful person. If we learn computer, there is our aim. If we take bio, there is aim. If we open the school, institutes, there is aim. In the same way, what is the aim of physical education? The aim of physical education means when you open the first lesson, in right side from the above point, it has been written clearly. According to Central Advisory Board of Physical Education, the aim of physical education is to make every child means every, that is the matter, every means The aim of physical education is to make every child what? Physically fit for doing anything. Mentally fit. Yeah. Psychological development. Emotional development. That is the main part of human being. And social development. It means we are social animal. We can't live without the society. Means we have to food development, but only with food development, no, it will not go. It means the aim of physical education is to make every child physically, mentally, socially, emotionally, to lead his life peaceful and happy, and to build a good citizen. That is the main of physical education. Yes, because everyone wants to get good job, spend luxurious life. Means if we want to be SP, DM, why? To lead our life happy, peaceful. The same thing, to build a good citizen with happy and peaceful life. That is the aim of physical education. Now, the fourth question is, what is the objective of physical education? Objective of physical education. Because there are four objectives of physical education. The first is physical development, second is psychological development, third is social development, and fourth is emotional development. So what is psychological development? We will explain that to achieve the aim of physical education, we must have to achieve the objective of physical development. For it, you have to just learn four words. What? Second, how? But? And what? Is what would be to achieve the physical development? We can get good body shape, weight, height, etc. Strong muscles. But how we will achieve to perform the various type of exercises? Here, we can't perform exercise continuously for longer duration, because if we perform continuously for longer duration, there would be stress. So that's why our muscles will be get tired while performing the continuous physical task. So that's why we must give relax to our body. That is the part of physical development. And the second, psychological development. What is psychological development? Psychological development means psycho and logos. It has been made of two words, psycho and logos. Psycho means the soul, and logos means the study. It is a study of, it is the soul study. It means आत्मीय अध्ययन करना. आत्मीय अध्ययन, आत्मा बोलते हैं ना कि अपनी आत्मा की बात सुनो, दिल की बात सुनो. यानी कि that is related to mind. That is related to mind. It means now in modern era, the concept has been modified. It is the scientific behavior of human being. Yes. But for it, what should we do? We must have good ideas, good examples, positive thought. That thing is need for the mental development or psychological development. Just here I want to give example related to education. Suppose you are good students, we have good command on chapters, you have good command in writing, speaking, etc. But what happened? You get full marks during the class test, half yearly examinations, but at the final stage, what happened? You miss some marks. Why? Due to the psychological development. That time we will not say you have fever, you were weak in study, आपको भूत प्रेत है, ऐसा मैटर नहीं है. उसको क्या करेंगे, साइकोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट की जरूरत होती है, पॉजिटिव थॉट की जरूरत होती है कि या यू आर द विनर, यू आर द हॉर्स फॉर लॉन्ग रेस, यू कैन डू इट, such type of giving positive thoughts, ideas, he will be positive and at last he will give his best performance. That is a psychological development. Third is social development. Social development means we keep on learning. I think since class 7 or 8 हम एक सामाजिक प्राणी हैं. We are social animal. It means we cannot live without society. But if you want to live in society, we have to follow the rules and regulations which are created by the society. It means if here I am taking class, we have to follow the rules and regulations of this institute. What should we dress? In which class we have to sit? Like this. For it, means there will improvement of brotherhood, togetherness, leadership, and how it will be developed by the following of non-stealing. We have much knowledge about violence, non-violence, absence of lust, etc. And the fourth is emotional development. Yes, that is the main point, emotional development. Because we have physical development, we have a psychological development, we have social development. But at last what happened? Suppose a friend comes and he says, let's go to watch the movie. And he is my close friend. But tomorrow there is examination. So that time what will you do? He is my closest friend. Okay, let's go. Then what would be during the examination? It means that time we must control our emotions. That time we deny their views. Because that's not time for the watching movie. That's time for the study. It means we can say we must control our emotions if you want to be a successful person. For it, emotion means what? It is a like feeling. Yes, feeling. Feeling means love, hate, jealousy, aggressive, etc. That should be controlled when there is need to use. That time we should use. We should not be always aggressive mode. We should not always respect to everyone with blind mind. So the next point is career. There are many careers in physical education. The trend has been changed. Now there are many options we can make our career. We can establish our life through the physical education, just as to be a physical education teacher, to be a referee, journalist, yoga instructor, physical instructor, etc. For teacher, there is need to get diploma, BPE, BPEd, MPEd, Bachelor of Physical Education, Master of Physical Education, MSS, Master of Sports Science, like this. For physical instructor, after 10 plus 2, we can do diploma from Sports Authority of India or anywhere. For physical fitness trainer, yoga instructor, there is also a diploma for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, NIS diploma. And for commentator, there is no need any diploma, but you must have a sound, means a sharp sound, sweet sound, and must have knowledge, a broad knowledge related to the topic, game. Official means officer, just like DSO, District Sports Officer, RSO, Regional Sports Officer. For it need NIS, B.Ped or M.Ped. You can be a officer through the physical education. So today the first lesson is finished. I would like means we will just please request. I would like to request you please this ISL group YouTube, please subscribe for getting the other videos, means for the other lesson. Thank you.